Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you to a hidden gem of India that feels like a slice of paradise, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands are a treasure trove of pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, lush greenery and rich history. So pack your bags and join me as we explore the top attractions, fascinating facts, delicious food and so much more about this beautiful archipelago. Now, before we explore the must-visit places, let's talk about how to get to this paradise. You can reach the Andaman and Nicobar Island by air or sea. The most convenient way is by taking a flight to Port Blair, the capital city, from major Indian cities like Chennai, Kolkata or Delhi. If you're up for a little adventure, there are also ships that sail from Chennai, Kolkata and Visakhapatnam, but be prepared for a journey of about 3 to 4 days. Once you are in Port Blair, you are all set to explore these breathtaking islands. Alright, time to explore the top attractions in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Get your checklist ready because you don't want to miss this. Radhanagar Beach, located on Havelock Island in the Andaman, is renowned for its pristine white sands, clear blue waters, and breathtaking sunsets. Ranked among Asia's best beaches, it offers a serene escape for visitors. An interesting fact is that it was named Asia's best beach by Time magazine in 2004, making it a must-visit destination for beach lovers. Elephant Beach, located on Havelock Island in the Andaman, is a popular destination known for its stunning white sand, clear turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs. Accessible by a short boat ride or a 30-minute trek through a lush forest, the beach offers excellent opportunities for snorkeling, scuba diving. With its tranquil ambience and scenic surroundings, Elephant Beach is perfect for relaxation, sunbathing, or enjoying a leisurely day by the sea. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, located in the Andaman Island, is a protected area known for its vibrant coral reefs, crystal clear waters, and rich marine biodiversity. It consists of 15 islands, with Jolly Bow and Redskin being popular for snorkeling and diving. Explore vibrant coral reefs and swim alongside colorful fish and sea turtles. It's like entering a whole new world under the sea. The park was established in 1983 to safeguard endangered marine life, including rare species like the giant leatherback turtle. Neil Island is another hidden gem known for its coral reefs, crystal clear waters, and serene beaches like Lakshmanpur, Bharatpur, and Sitapur. It's perfect for snorkeling, diving, or simply relaxing by the sea. Cellular Jail in Port Blair. Andaman is a historic colonial prison known as Kala Pani, where Indian freedom fighters were imprisoned during British rule. Built between 1896 and 1906, the jail had 693 solitary cells to isolate prisoners. An interesting fact is that today it serves as a national memorial, and its light and sound show narrates the stories of India's struggle for independence. Baratang Island. It's a bit off the beaten path but totally worth it. Baratang Island, located in the Andaman and Nicobar, is known for its unique natural attractions, including dense mangroves, limestone caves, mud volcanoes, and exotic wildlife. An interesting fact is that Baratang is one of the few places in India where you can witness active mud volcanoes, making it a rare geological marvel. Chidiya Tapu. Bird lovers, this one's for you. Chidiya Tapu, also known as the Bird Island, is famous for its diverse bird species and mesmerizing sunset views. Don't forget your binoculars. Now let's sprinkle some fun facts about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Did you know that Andaman Island are close to Myanmar and Thailand than to mainland India? And here's a cool one. North Sentinel Island is one of the last places on Earth where modern civilization hasn't reached. It's home to a tribe that has no contact with the outside world. So, when's the best time to visit this beautiful island? The ideal time is from October to May, when the weather is pleasant and the waters are perfect for driving, snorkeling and beach activities. Avoid the monsoon season from June to September as heavy rains might spoil your plans. Now let's talk about the delicious food and rich culture of the Andaman and Nicobar Island. You must try the fresh seafood, especially grilled fish, prawns and crabs. The local delicacy fish curry is a must-try for seafood lovers. For vegetarians, there's a variety of options like coconut-based dishes and tropical fruits like mangoes, pineapples and bananas. So, there you have it, a complete guide to the hidden treasure of the Andaman and Nicobar Island. From stunning beaches and thrilling adventures to fascinating history and delicious food, these islands have something for everyone. If you are dreaming of a peaceful yet exciting getaway, Andaman and Nicobar should be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to get it a thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.